let's start. So, welcome Rika, Miss Aubrey, Ate Sashi, and may dalawa tayong bago dito. So, nakikinig pa lang sila. So, let us welcome them. Welcome sa inyong dalawa dito. Please follow Colts and mga co-host natin. Anyways, kalala session. Sige, let's start with the basics. So, the string name is G, the top string, and then C. This is actually ito talaga yung lowest sa ukulele. Lowest string yung tono. Okay? Okay? And then, followed by the E, and then a G. Okay, so nasa C6 tuning tayo, which is an open tuning. So, if I say open tuning, pag sinabing open tuning, when you strum, it's already a chord, okay? So, iba-iba lang yung tawag dyan, depende sa bass, okay? So, marami pang tawag dyan. So, don't stick to ano lang. Pero the most common is C6. Lalo na pag walang bass chord or bass or the root note, okay? So, wala yung student natin, so let's go to the very basics again. Dahil may bago tayong nakikinig dito. Okay? So, C chord, okay? This is the most common again. Sige, may mga tawag pala ang right hand ay yung strumming or plucking hand. Okay? So, dito yung mga right hand techniques, which is plucking, strumming, and marami pa. Muting. Okay? Yun yung most common is plucking, strumming. Lalo na sa beginners. Okay. Pero tawag dito tayo sa left hand. Okay? So this is the fretboard. Ang fretboard ay kung saan yung mga notes mo usually, okay? So meron yang tinatawag na scale. Sa loob ng scale, meron mga notes yon. So, each fret has notes. So, individual. Sabihin natin, let's start with the G. So, in fret 1 ng G ay G sharp, A, and then B flat, tapos B, C, C sharp. So, it's just going up kung ano yung open note. For example, this A sharp, B, C. So, we only have 12 hello, Ate Costeta. We only have 12 notes in the musical alphabet. Kasama na doon yung mga sharps and flats. So no need to pero kung gusto nyo malaman pa, thank you ate for that. Okay, so again, wala si Carlo. Alright, so yan, pataas-taas lang siya. So again, if pinalock chordary, let's start with this. Okay. A, B flat or A sharp. Okay, so pag pataas magiging sharp, pag flat is so C, B, flat. Okay, so ang papunta dito in this direction is ang accidental niya ay flat, and then dito sharp. Ano lang, pero huwag kayo ma-confuse kasi notes lang yan in the fretboard. So, in more detail, pero ngayon, let's focus lang sa mga basic chords. So, let's begin with the simple chord. Dito C chord, okay? So, dito, you just need one finger, okay? So first, second, third. Ang third finger mo ay yung ring finger mo sa left. Third finger on the bottom A string, ito ang A string natin. Third fret. Third fret is 1, 2, 3. Okay? So third fret dito. Okay, yan yung C chord. Okay? Sa guitar, ganito yun, di ba? Parang you need 3 fingers pa. So, again, mas simple ang ukulele dahil you only need you only have 4 strings and nasa tuning siya. Okay? And then, the next one is, sige, ano lang, let's try this one. Let's just use one finger and open notes. So this is a C major 7 chord. So napakagandang chord to kasi parang jazzy na din. Okay. So the next one is C7. Okay. So notice nyo, bumaba lang tayo. Okay? So sabi ko kanina, ang flat ay pababa. So this is called the B flat now. Kasi ito B to eh. Tapos ito B flat. B flat, right? B flat. Nahaharangan yung yung flat. Okay. Okay, so let's try this strumming pattern. So 4 times. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Pang pa and then the next chord is open na lang. So, okay? Okay, so you need just 4 chord changes na siya. Pero just using this one finger movement. Okay? And then open. So 1, 2, 3, open. So maganda na siya pakinggan kasi hello darling, hello Josh. Welcome to the stream. Good morning to all of you. Okay? So 2, 3, and then importante rin mag-count, okay? Lalo na pag walang lyrics or kanta yan. So this is just an exercise. Pero pwede rin maging song siya. So kayo na mag-isip kung anong song to. Kasi magkakatunog naman ng mga kanta eh. Especially this one. Ano yun? Anong song yun? Dobre. Okay. Dobre. Wala si Ate Aubrey. Minus 100 kay Ate Aubrey. Yan, mag-dance ka na lang. Anyways. So, again, 2, 3, 4, relax ko lang yung isip natin. Ay, ba't pumunta ko doon? Dapat na pala. Okay. Nakuha ba? Okay, good job everybody. Nakuha natin. Very good. And then, i-practice nyo lang yung counting. So, ina-anticipate natin yung beat 4. Okay? So, 2, 3, 4. And then, in your mind, you need to change the chord when you hear a 4. Pero dapat, mas strum mo muna eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. Okay? So there's a split second kasi. You need to dapat aware ka dun kung saan, parang sa voice, 'di ba? Split second yung paghinga. Okay? Kunwari mahaba yung dito rin sa ukulele para magtunog siyang fluent. Ang isipan niyo naman ay yung split second na chord change, okay? Compared sa voice and the ukulele. So, yan. So, 3, change. 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 Okay? And the reason why one finger ginagamit natin is para, number 1, maganda yung progression na to, chord progression. Number 2 is, madali siyang gawin kasi one finger lang. And open strings almost every yung remaining strings. I'm talking about yung mga hindi mo finifret. So, yung G string, hindi mo siya nififret. E, saka yung S, C, saka A. E. Ang finifret mo lang na string, yung sa baba, pinakababa. And then, change. Singa, change. Okay, so hirapan natin ng konti. Let's have an up strum pero sa 4 end dun ka mag-up. So variation lang ng strumming. So start with here. Okay, open pala. Thank you for the follow. And because of you followed us, I'll show a magic for you. Hello, Miss Cress. Welcome to the stream. Okay, you see this? You see this? Okay, this is just heart. No! Okay, never mind. Hello Chris, welcome. Thank you for the staying here. Nag-ukulele ba kayo dyan? Yung mga nag-up. I'll follow you para makita ko kung sino napunta dito. Anyways, alright, so where were we? Nandito tayo sa progression na to. So, 1, yung 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. So, we're practicing how to change smoothly sa yung pagka-count. 2, 3, down, up. 4, up. 2, So this is swing yung ano eh, yung 4A. Okay? May question ba kayo sa swing and ano? Okay, yung eto. Ito yung isang tinatawag na straight in music. So, let's compare kung anong mas maganda sa paninig niyo. 1 and 1 and 1. Okay? So the other one, yung ginagawa natin from the beginning. I don't know if tinatawag natin swing yun, yung dulo ng down. Okay? Do you have questions? Or naririnig nyo ba yung difference? I-exaggerate ko na. Swing. Naririnig nyo ba yung difference? Okay. I-swing lang. Sige. One more. Okay, go straight yung 8 note. 8 note yung ano eh. Sa I don't know if it's clear. So pure 8 notes to. Yung isang bar. May talbog siya. Yung last string, call that last strumming pattern ko. Yung sa 8, yung sa first straight, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yung ginawa ko sa swing is okay, that's a different. So kailangan alam niyo yan. So, sige. So, dumadami tayo. Ay, hello. Hello, welcome. Thank you sa Can you follow us? Kung may natutunan. Please follow everyone dito. Okay. Sige. Bago tayo mag-play along, tuturo ko yung most common progression. So, yung first na tinuro ko is chords with one finger lang. So, ito it's already a song. Play along. Okay. I don't know if Uy. What the heck? Okay. So while waiting for the song to load. So C chord, and next is as F, okay? F chord. So practicein niyo lang yun, yung transition. So the transition is okay. So ang common mistake ng students natin dito ay they locate the string one by one. Ganyan. Sa beginner, pwede yun eh. Pero in time, dapat bilisan na nila yung ano. So, pag medyo okay na, alam nyo na yung shape. So, this is called shoot and ano. I call this shoot the chord on the fret. So, I position the chord dito. Okay? So, kung alam ko na yung F chord, so, this note, yung fret ko, first fret, E string, and then, top note, second finger, yung middle mo. So, that's an F chord. You need 2 fingers lang. The rest are open strings. Okay? Alright. So, yan yung tunog niya. And then, most common is followed by a G7. Okay? So, how do I play this? Middle or second finger here. Tapos dito, on the adjacent, sa baba lang niya. Okay? Baba lang to. So, I didn't go anywhere. Nasa second fret ako. So, pag pinilay ko, pero add natin tong first finger sa first fret E string. So, that's a G7 chord right there. Alright? So, F and a G7. So, with that, makaka-play ka na ng song. So, alright. An example is a Disney song, Someone to Love, which is using this particular chords. Okay? Now, for the strumming, we call this, medyo advanced pa, pero pwede you could just, if hindi pa kaya, just basta baksak lang kayo pumasok. Okay? And then just listen to the how the audio track is being played. So, I'll play it out. Wait lang. Okay. May C7 pala. Pero yung C7 is this one. Right here. Okay. Pag may nakita kayong C7. So, play the track. Ay, wait lang. Okay. G7. Okay. Okay, notice hindi pa ako kumakanta kasi it's a different skill to sing and strum. So we'll focus on ano muna. Let's focus muna tayo sa instrument, okay? And how to change. Okay? Okay, may chord change konti. konting retardando. Okay? Because there's slow. Bumagal siya ng konti. And then, slowly building up that speed again. Slowly speeding up. Okay? Okay? Just focus on this. Saka yung sound. Make it simple lang. Sa chorus siguro dagdagan natin ang sound. Okay? Umagal. Okay? I'm just playing 2 per chord. Again. So, change. Okay. Just focus on this. May- Focus. Okay. Okay, sige. You could search the chords online. So type na lang Google and then Lava Song. Ayan. Mag-a-appear na siya agad. Chords. Ukulele. So, pag ganito, walang what do you call this? Kumakanta. So, you need to yan sa yung autos ito to analyze, hindi naman analyze, be aware na lang of what's going on. So a song composed of major parts yan, an intro, a verse, a chorus, minsan may bridge, okay, depends on the song pero dito you need the intro, verse, chorus, okay. So I'll try to play normally, okay. So this time I'll play it how the record should so kasi di ka pa alam kung ano nyo kung ano yung level nyo. So pag beginners, ganito muna. There's a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. Okay. So usually the words are there, tapos yung chords nasa taas niya. Okay. You need to follow that. Pero dapat muna you know how to play the chords, okay, individually. I mean, you can locate it na bago you go there. Alright, to erase boredom lang. That's why we're having a song to practice, okay? So I'll play it how we're supposed to hear it on the record. So pwedeng ganito lang yung intro. I'm using island strum. Island strum is commonly known as down, down, up, up, down, up. So try nyo mag ganito. Alright? Pero kung hindi pa, nahihirapan pa kayo, just make it simpler sa baksak lang. Okay? Pero in the record kasi, okay, you can practice this also, just using one chord, just getting used to the sound. Okay? Maging ano lang tayo sa tunog. Okay? And then try to change chords. So ilang beses ba yun? Pero ang titingnan mo kung ilang beses yung pattern. So take the pattern kung ilan beses siya piniplay. So usually long time ago, that's 2 times na. Long time ago. And then there's a volcano. Okay? Parang 2 times din yun. 2 times of the island strum. And then, pinapakita ko lang. F is 2 times then. And then here, in the middle of the C is, you're gonna change immediately. Okay? So, they're sharing, and then naman, they're not sharing, pero each chord, yung in the starting in the middle of the sea, middle of the sea. So sa C kasi ikaw mag-change. So it's another different bar, okay, or not a section, a measure. So 2 times din yung G7. So C going to C, the middle of the sea. Yung C chord na yun, you just play it one time of the island strum. And then, two times again. That's basically how the song goes. Pero, I think sa chorus, magka-change ng chord. May ukulele ka ba dyan? Gamitin mo, paturo kay Kuya Rex. Sige. Ikaw lang. Ay, ano wala? Ano yun? Yan. Yes, mag-ukulele na rin kayo. Josh. Joseph. Josh. Kay J&J. Sign up kayo dalawa. Okay, ang ukulele, usually ang price range niya is, I think, yung kay Carlo kasi less than 1K yun. Pero pag mga ganito yung itsura, siguro 1K up. 1K up yung ganito if you're interested to purchase one or buy one. Ano pa? Minsan nga, kompleto na ng may tuner na. Kagi. Hala, ano yan? Okay. Ang tataas na. Okay, may tanong ba kayo about that? Okay, let's go to the chorus. Okay. So, again, hindi lang yung Lava song may ganitong progression. So, you could start with this para alam nyo na yung chord na C, G7, and F. Okay? Meron kayong what do you call this? Maalala. And yun. So chorus is I have a dream. So two times then. Two times and then G7 after. Okay. So yung G7 isa lang dito. And then dalawa pa rin pala. And ito yung may C7. Ito yung something nag-change yung okay. Send me someone. Ikaw, Sashi, magpaturo ka rin, di ba may ukulele ka? Yan pala naman, Sashi. Kunin mo na nga yung ukulele mo. Sino ba? May tanong ba kayo? J and J? I think this is pero yung mga kantahan nyo pang yun. Yung ukulele kasi yung usually hindi napapansin. Kasi yung mga songs dati ay meron. Meron pala eh. Joshi. Okay. Gagi. Wala kayong nakita doon. Pero ganyan. La. Wala tuloy ako. Commercial muna tayo. Eh, inspired yan. Oh. So yeah, Sashi, pakita natin yung inspired. Paano ba yung inspired? Open cam. Inspired ka raw eh, sabi ni Josh. Up ka nga. Ano sabi si Sashi? Pakita natin kung ano yung sabi niyang inspired ka. Dali na, Sashi, oh. Up ka nga. Anyways. Ba't puro heart dito? Heart. Oh. Oh. Ano ba yan? Oh! Oh! Mapakipad pa ate Sashi. Up ka. Sa'yo na, oh. Josh. May pa-heart. Uy, ba't tumagaw? Alright. Ano ba? Anyways. Ano, tutuloy ka pa ba? May bagot pala tayong follower and nakikinig na yun. Si Miss Lesher. Palakpakan natin siya dahil pumunta siya dito sa stream. Nasa work daw siya kaya hindi maka-open, pero thank you. Dapat follow nyo kami. Follow si J&J. Bago pa lang ata sa Kumu siya. Pero I don't know. Napadpad siya dito. Baka ano yan. It's a sign na sasali siya. So thank you, Miss Lesher. Tama ba? Lesher. Anyways. Open cam ka daw. Okay, habang nag-open cam ka. At konting oras na lang. Josh, gusto mo kumanta muna dito? Pakita mo naman yung vocal range. Oh, kanta ka daw. Josh. Joshi. Hello. Nakahiga pa raw eh. Di naka-set up. Sayaw ka na lang daw. Ayan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Anong lalahad mo? Yung ukulele? Papakita mo na? Ano yung ano? Oy, Sashi, ano daw to? Up ka nga. Anong sinasabi ni Josh? Huh? Sashi? Ate Aubrey, ano yun? Ikaw nga yun eh. Napatawa mo ba ako? Bigla ka nabuhay eh. Ikaw na lang, kakanta ka ba, Ate Aubrey? Hindi daw pwede si Josh eh. Pwede yan, pwede yan. Ano, acapella na lang. Kahit ano. Wala pa open cam ka ni Sashi. Ano bang meron? Sige. Wala na ba? One song na lang. Ano ba yun? Sige. Just one song and I'll sing my song kaya. Sige, kanta ka na lang. Ah? May wala pa naman. Sige, kasi parang